Hi Tree and Pond friends! Today I'm going to show you how to do some jam spreading. Okay, for this next recipe we're going to need a few things. We need strawberry jam or any kind of jam that you have, or jelly. We'll need some graham crackers, a cutting board, a knife, a sponge, and we'll also need a plate later. The first thing I'm going to do is take 2 graham crackers and open up my jam. It might be a little tricky. Twist, twist. If you need help, you can always ask an adult or an older sibling. And I'm going to take my knife and scoop out just a little bit of jelly. That's not very much. And I'll slowly spread it all over my graham cracker. I might move this just a little bit so you can see. Okay, and I've got another. So again, I'll take another little bit of jam or jelly and spread it. Onto my graham cracker. And let's not forget to close this back up. We don't want it to go bad. Twist. Okay, now you can eat it just like this, or sometimes I like to make it kind of into a sandwich. So we'll place it just right on top. And before we eat, we'll move this onto a plate. Now we have a tasty snack that we can eat ourselves or we can give to someone that we love. Enjoy!